Hey guys, today I'm here to do my Sephora Play unboxing for February. I have already went ahead and opened the box and looked inside, but I thought I would go ahead and do a video for you guys. So you have your card on the top, and it's a super cute pink, red, and purple themed little card paper thing. And you have your play pass on here as well. This is the bag this month. Feel the love, kind of creepy little bag situation. So yeah, so let's just get into the products. The first little thing that's crinkling around is an Atelier cologne in vanilla incense. I don't normally really like Atelier colognes per scents, so I'll smell it, but I think well, I'm actually just going to get rid of it because it's not a sprayer, it's just a little dabber, and I don't like those, so no reason for me to keep that. Next product is a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Let's Go Crazy. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I did swatch it, and it might be a little bit too bright for me. I'm not completely sure. I need to try it on my lips, but I really like these NARS pencils. So that was nice to get in the box. On the paper it says, a creamy cult classic lip pencil in a paradise pink shade for a bright matte color. Next is the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love Believe. I love their moisturizer, so I'm sure I'll probably like this. I'm getting ready to run out of that Clinique eye cream from last month, so that'll be good to replace it with this. And on the paper it says, a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eye. That'll be nice to try. Next thing is another lipstick. I'm so surprised that we actually got two lipsticks. A lot of time we just get skincare, so I like getting extra makeup. It's the Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick in M11 Rebel Chic, or Chic, Rebel Chic. I don't know, I think it's chic, but can't get it out of the box. Okay, there we go. Had to go from the bottom. And here's the little packaging, matte coloring. And this is the color. I really like this color. So there is that color. Definitely be one that I will be keeping. And it does have a really decent amount of size of product, so that's nice. On the card, it says, a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. Next thing is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. Visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged onto skin. That'll be interesting to try. I don't really like trying exfoliants too much because my skin's very sensitive and it gets irritated very easily. So I'll still give that a try, but it may irritate my skin. It says an exfoliating gel powered by multiple fruit enzymes to reveal a glowy complexion. And I've never tried a gel exfoliant, so we'll have to see how that goes. The last thing, ironically, is the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Stick in Rose Gold. And I literally just used that up in my Rolling Project 5 pan. So I get a new one, which is fine. I really like these eye sticks, so that's nice. I kind of wish it was in a different color since I literally just finished the other one, but it's fine. Glad to have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.